Alexa Rush, 231277.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke, appearing on behalf of my client. This time, consent to the matter being heard via Zoom.
All right, and Ms. Rush, good morning. Your name, please.
Alexa Rush.
Okay. And so Ms. Rush is on probation for operating while intoxicated. The high BAC was reduced, and it's alleged that Ms. Rush tested positive for cocaine, alcohol, and had a diluted test on November 1st. And counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. My client understands that she could have a hearing in which she could contest these violations. That will not be necessary.
All right, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear from the testimony you must give this matter the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you heard the allegations, correct?
Correct. I have them in front of me as well.
Okay. As those allegations, ma'am, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And you've gone over your advice of rights for probation violation purposes, correct?
Correct.
And you understand all of those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you also understand by entering into a plea you'll be waiving some of those rights, specifically your right to a contested hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you also understand the possible penalty, correct?
Correct.
You understand the recommendation in this matter is for probation to be continued, $50 probation violation fee, 5 days jail, 45 days on the alcohol tether after you're released. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing all that, you still want to continue with your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No, ma'am.
And counsel, if you can please vote to your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to the date of November 1st, 2023. Did you, as a condition of probation, submit yourself to a drug test?
Yes.
Will you stipulate that it came back positive for cocaine and alcohol?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violation and indicate technical violations 1 and 2. And counsel, as to the recommendation.
Your Honor, as the recommendation, I just respectfully request consideration for a jail review. No objection to the 45 days alcohol tether. I'd ask that she be given one final opportunity to comply with terms and conditions. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Rush, if you were to test today, what's in your system?
Nothing, Your Honor.
So apparently there was some miscommunication somewhere, and the original testing facility didn't receive the referral. And then when you were sent over to a different testing facility on that same day, you had to test, and then you ended up testing positive for cocaine and alcohol.
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. You also did not attend any fan meetings or any AA meetings in the month of October, correct?
Correct. But may I interrupt? I have been going, and then just recently, this past Thursday, I did go to a fan meeting, and I sat there for about 45 minutes and realized that I was in the wrong building. So I will start to attend that this upcoming or next month.
Well, ma'am, what conditions of probation have you started complying with?
I have been going to AA. I've gone to 10 meetings already. I registered for the ARM program in March 9th through the 10th. And I am going to Guidance Center currently. And then for community service, I am going to the Brownstown Animal Shelter starting next week.
Okay, well, ma'am, here's the concern. You're on probation for operating while intoxicated. You had your high BAC dismissed, and you're still using alcohol, and now you added cocaine into the mix.
And that was the one time that I've ever tried it in my life. And I'm not going to try to fabricate a story for you, but that was the one time that I did mess up, and that's not going to happen again.
And so the one time that you tried it in your life and you decided that was going to be while you were on probation.
Honestly, yeah, Your Honor. And I was around the wrong group at the wrong time. And like I said, that won't happen again.
Well, what the court's going to do is the court's going to hopefully help you in realizing as to why you don't want to do that again. And the court's going to adopt the recommendation. The court's going to order you to continue and complete all terms of probation, but $50 probation violation fee, 5 days jail starting today, and 45 days alcohol tether after you're released.
Okay, what time would I have to go to jail?
You'll have to email into Miss Shaw, or who, I'm sorry, are you with Marcy?
No,
you're with
Natalie
Miss
Shaw.
Miss Shaw, yes. And so she will give you the time to report.
Okay.
All right, make sure that you are emailing in to Ms. Shaw by 11:30. Ma'am, if you do not email into her and do not get your information regarding reporting and you do not report today, there will be a warrant issued for your arrest.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.